Have you ever felt the sting of being ignored, despite pouring your heart and soul into a relationship? Imagine giving your absolute best, yet feeling invisible, your efforts dismissed, your emotions disregarded. It's a feeling that can crush your spirit. But what if I told you there's a way to turn the tables completely? Today, in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful psychological tricks that will make people forget to ignore you and instead strive to be an integral part of your life. Get ready to reclaim your worth and command the attention you deserve. Trick number 1, stay mysterious. Revealing everything about yourself not only makes you less attractive, but also diminishes your value. People are drawn to mysterious personalities. When you act mysterious, people are more intrigued by the unknown aspects of your character. They can only guess about your true nature, which increases their interest. Never reveal your past life or future plans. Hold back your words. Be strong. Share just enough to keep them curious about you. Talk less and let them wonder about you. Trick number 2, become unavailable. People who are always easily available lose their value in others' lives. It's human nature to take for granted what we can easily obtain. Show your worth by being less available. Don't always be ready to respond immediately to texts or calls. Your time and attention should seem valuable. It should be evident that your life doesn't revolve around just one person. You have your own plans in life. There are countless ways to stay busy and enjoy your time. If you are always available, it shows that you can be connected with whenever they want, which diminishes your worth. Trick number 3, don't always start the conversation. If you are always the one initiating conversations, asking questions, and trying to keep the dialogue going while the other person only replies without showing much interest, stop doing this. Stop being overly attached. It can be demotivating. You don't always have to take the initiative. There should be a balance. This trick helps ensure the other person doesn't take you for granted. Allow them to miss you and want to talk to you. This will also help you gauge their level of interest and the strength of your bond. Trick number 4, prioritize your life. Don't let your life become someone else's priority. Before making yourself someone else's priority, prioritize your interests in life. If you constantly have to compromise your self-respect, self-worth, and happiness in every relationship, you are in the wrong place. If you are doing all this for a person who doesn't even consider you important, it's better to set your own priorities. Prioritizing your happiness and needs is not selfish, but essential for your self-respect, dignity, and emotional well-being. A healthy relationship is based on mutual consideration, not one-sided efforts. You should not be treated like an option. If someone treats you as an option, leave them by choice. Trick number 5, manage your emotional attachment. While emotional attachment is crucial in any relationship, your emotions can either enhance or diminish your value. Emotions are essential, but being overly emotional can be seen as a weakness and can overshadow your true worth. By maintaining balanced emotions, you can convey your values and feelings without appearing overly emotional. When you share all your secrets and become too emotional, you risk giving someone the power to use your vulnerabilities against you. Don't hand over control by being too emotional. Contain your emotions. Don't share everything with everyone or become emotionally dependent. This will make your personality stand out and present you as a person of high value. By applying these 5 powerful tricks, you can transform the way people perceive and value you. Stay mysterious, become less available, don't always initiate conversations, prioritize your life, and manage your emotional attachments. These strategies will help you command the respect and attention you deserve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these insights valuable and are excited to implement them in your life. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.